question. Like as I told you, each and every question from chapter 1 is so important because from each and every question they are asking in a boards. Here today we are discussing one very important question which contains 3 marks for all students, and this method is very important. You have to do each step perfectly, then you are getting full marks from board. So here we will begin our process. Now you will see that how we are doing the process. Yesterday whatever we did, that is the base. So we will continue with that base and we will do further on process. So here we are starting our process. Just you have to remember some things and you can do it easily. So here is the question. It is, as I told you, that it is very important question. Question number 4 of exercise 1.1. So here we will write that it is of exercise 1.1. Question number 4. It says that use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of a form 3m or 3m plus 1. In a last video, we just have to prove that 3m is even number or 3m plus 1 is odd. But here it is little bit different thing. You have to read question carefully because they ask us you have to do square of particular number, and as the answer you have to take out 3m or 3m plus 1. So the same process we will begin. As I told you that you have to remember A is equals to BQ plus R, that is our lemma, and our condition for that is 0 is less than and equals to R is less than B. In a last video, as I told you, the value of B is depend on a question. Here in a question 3 is given. So for this question the value of B is 3. Means here you can write A is equals to 3Q plus R and you will find values of R. As I told you in last video that value of R is between 0 and 3, but here you have to take 0 but less than 3. So here we can write R is equals to 0, 1 and 2. We cannot take that 3, that is our limit. So here when we are taking R, means we will make star and we will write that when we are taking R as a 0 and when we are substituting R as 0 in this, we are getting A is equals to 3Q plus 0. So our A is equals to 3Q and we will make it highlight. The second value we will take that R equals to 1. So here we can say that A is equals to 3Q plus 1 because on the place of R we have to write 1. We will make it highlight. And the third value that R having as 2, so we will write A is equals to 3Q plus 2. Means on the place of R we are writing that 2. So here you can see that on the place of that R, first you have kept 0, so you got this. Then you have kept 1, so you got this, and you have kept 2, so you got this. In a last video we did this process and we found that this one is even, this one is odd and this one is even. But now they are not asked us that what is even and what is odd. Our question is in the form of 3m and this is in the form of q. Means we have to convert this q in the form of m by doing squaring method. So here we will name it like this one is 1, this one is 2 and this one is 3. Means first we have to do squaring method for the first. So here again we will make that star and we will take that first one, that is A is equals to 3Q. And we will read the question that what they have given. They have told us to do square or to do cube. So they told us to do square. So here for to equation 1 we have to do square. So here we will write square both this side. So it will become a whole square, and here it will become 3q whole square. Now when you are doing 3q square, it will become 9, and q square will become q square. You have opened this bracket and you got this. Now we will see our question. We want answer as 3m. Means we have to taken out 3 common. If we are taking 3 common from this, so it will remain 3q square in the bracket. Not out of the bracket. This square is only for q. And we splitted this 9. 3 3s are 9, and we have taken 3 common. Now whatever is left, here we will write let 3q square is equals to m. This one we have suppose. Now on the place of this 3q square we can write m. So here we will write a square, that a square is equals to 3 we will keep as it is, and on the place of 3q square we can write m. So here they ask that any positive integer is either in the form of 3m. So it was 3m, so here we got answer as 3m. And there the answer is 3m plus 1. Now we have to take that answer. So again we will make star, and we will use that second condition. So here we will see that what is second condition. So our second condition is a is equals to 3q plus 1. The same method we will again do, means squaring both the side. We will write it again, that square both the side. So it will become a whole square, and this will become 3q plus 1 whole square. Now we have to open this bracket, means we have to use identity a plus b whole square. So here we will use it. Here we will write a square. A plus b whole square identity means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will open this, means it will become, so here we will write therefore a square is equals to 9q square, because we have opened that bracket. 3 3s are 9q square, 3 2s are 6q, so plus 6q we will write, and here 1 square will be 1, so here we will write plus 1. Now here we having two answer. Either our answer is in the form of 3m, or either our answer is in 3m plus 1. So here we will write that a square will be as it is. From both of these we will take out 3 common, and in the bracket we will write 3q square. Here we have taken 3 common, so here it will become 2q plus 1 we will write as it is, and here by ourselves we will suppose this thing as m. So here we will write let whatever in bracket that is equals to m. So simply we will write a square 3, on the place of this we will write m, and r plus 1 will be as it is. Means they told us whatever you are doing with these 3, if you are squaring these 3, you are getting answer as 3m or 3m plus 1. So here as I show you, first one we got answer as 3m, and second one we got answer as 3m plus 1. Now again we will make the star, and we will find for this third one, means a is equals to 3q plus 2. So here we will write a is equals to 3q plus 2. Again as I told you that here we did square both the side, here also we did square both the side. Again here we will write square both the side. So here it will become a whole square and 3q plus 2 whole square. So now here if we are doing square, means a square 3q whole square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will become 9q square plus 2 2s are 6 3s are, and 2 square will become 4. Now here we are not getting any clue, so we will split this 4 and we will write 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. It means on the place of 4 we have written 3 plus 1, and from all of this we will taken out 3 common. So if we are taking out 3 common from it, here will remain 3q square, here 4q will remain, and if we have taken 3 common from here, plus 1 remain here, and this one will be as it is. Now as I told you, this whole term we will suppose add as m. So here we will write let 3q square plus 4q plus 1 is equals to m. So our a square will become 3m plus 1. Make it highlight, and here the whole sum you can see that if we are beginning from here, we got 3 values. A is equals to 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. When we are doing squaring of it, our answer is in the form of 3m, 3m plus 1 or 3m plus 1. The question they have asked, again read it, that you have to do square of any positive integer. They not ask us that it is odd or even, they just ask just do square, and you will get compulsorily answer as 3m or 3m plus 1. So here you can see our first answer, that is 3m, our second answer, that is 3m plus 1, and here again when you do square both the side, square both the side, you got answer as 3m plus 1. So again you can see exercise 1.1 question number 5. Now here I will explain that what kind of changes they have done in question 5. This is very important question for the 3 marks or 4 marks as well as board as well as school exam. Here they ask use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer. In a question 4 we did square of any positive integer, but here they did little bit change. They ask us to do cube of. So you have to read question carefully while you are doing sum, that what they have asked, to do square or to do cube. So if we are cubing that numbers, now we will get answer as 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. So here again I will repeat, in last question we have to do square of particular number, and here we have to do cube of particular number. So the process will be same as I told you in a last video. First you have to find that even and odd numbers as much as possible. So in last video I told you that here is 9. So this process here B, you can take 9 also. This process can be helpful to you if you are using 9, but it will be very lengthy. So 9m, the question of 9m can be solved with 3 too. So here we are not taking B as 9, but we will take B as 3 only. And when we are taking B as 3, are having 3 values 0, 1, 2. And when we are doing substituting values, we are getting 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Only difference in this question that these 3 will be same, but the process will begin from here. That when you are taking first condition, means A is equals to 3q. But there we are doing square on both sides. Here we have to do cube both the sides. So we will write cube both the sides. So if you are cubing it, it will become a cube and this will become 3q cube. So it will become a cube Now you have multiply 3 times, means 3 into 3 into 3, means it will become 27 cube. So very smart thing we will do, that is we have to take answer in form of 9m and it is in the form of 27 cube. So we will take 9 common from it. So in the bracket will remain 3 cube, not out of the bracket, inside only. And here we will guess it as m. So here we will write let 3 cube is equals to m. So now here we can write that is 3 9m. So very interesting thing is that they ask us to take out answer as 9m and here we got answer as 9m when we are cubing it. So here we did cube of particular number and we got answer as 9m. Now we will try for second, means a is equals to 3q plus 1. So here again we will do process a is equals to 3q plus 1. And here we have to do cube. So again we will write cube both the side. So here when we are doing cube both the side, here it will become a cube and here it is become 3q plus 1 whole cube. Here we have to apply the identity, that is a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now you have to remember this identity. If you not remembering, you will be little bit confused. So here we are applying a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b and plus 3a b square. Now we are solving it. It will become 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 cube plus 1 cube will be 1 only. Here 3 square 9, 9 3s are 27, q having square, we will write plus, 1 square will be 1 and 3 3s are 9, 9q into 1 will be 9q only. So when you are simplifying it, it is a little bit lengthy process. So we got answer of a cube in the form of this. So here again we will make star and we will write a cube is equals to 27 cube plus 1 plus 27 a square plus 9q. Now here again we will see the question. We want answer as 9m plus 1. So we will take all these three things together, means 27q plus 27q square plus 9q, and this plus 1 we will write at last. Now simple thing, as I told you, we will take 9 common from all this. So here will remain 3q cube, here will remain 3q square, and here will remain q only, and here plus 1 will be as it is. So here we will guess this whole thing as m. So here we will write let 3q cube plus 3q square plus q is equals to m. So here a cube we can write as 9m plus 1. So interesting thing you again got as it was in the form of q and we got answer in the form of m. But you have to be careful while you are doing cubing it. Now for that third condition, again we will do cube. So this one is a third condition, that a is equals to 3q plus 2. So here we will write a is equals to 3q plus 2. Question is to do cube both the sides. So we will write cube both the side. So when we are cubing, it will become a cube and it will become 3q plus 2 whole cube. Again here we will apply the identity. Identity is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. The difference between these two, as you can see, we applied identity Now we will solve it. It will become 27q cube. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Here first you have to square it, means 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 2s are. It will become 54q square. Right? And here when you are solving, means 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12 3s are. So here you can see. Now we want answer in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1. So here we cannot see any 1 over here. So again we will do some process. But here you can see that third answer we want as 9m plus 8. So you got idea that we will take all these things in one bracket and we will write 8 alone. So here we will write 27q cube plus 54q square plus 36q plus 8. Now as you know, from this we will take 9 common. So here will remain 3q cube. Here we have taken 9 common from it, so it will remain 6q square. And here will remain 4q. And here 8 will remain. As you know, we want answer in the form of m. So we will remove all this q. We will guess it. Let 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q is equals to m. So our answer of a cube will become 9. On the place of all this thing we have to write m, and that plus 8 will remain as. So here the whole process ends. As you can see, the sum is very big. First you have to solve all these things. You got 3 value. Then you have to do cube of it. You got 9m. Then you will take that second condition. You will cube it. You will solve it. You got answer as 9m plus 1. Then you will take third condition. You will do cube both the side. And you are getting answer as 9m plus 8. And we have solved the question that use Euclid division lemma to show the cube of any positive integer, either the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So here is very long process, very important question for 3 or 4 marks for all the students.